Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday or I have to wash my hair, so please don't mind my hair situation right now because अभी बहुत ही गंदे हो रखे हैं. मुझे नहाना है. Uh, but before that, I thought of quickly showing you my monthly favorites. It's already October, so I thought of doing like a September favorite. Someone commented that they want to see my September favorites video, so I thought चलो वो करते हैं. And yeah, let's go. एक बहुत फनी चीज दिखाती हूँ आप लोगों को. ये आप वॉल देख रहे हो, ये इतने अच्छे से सब कुछ हो रखा है. देयर इज लाइक द मंदिर, देयर इज अ लाइट, एवरीथिंग इज ऑल सेट अप, बट दिस पैच राइट हियर इज नॉट डन because there's a backstory to it. So what happened was that we did not hire any interior designer. सब कुछ मैंने और अमित ने किया था, बट हम यहाँ पे आके फंस चुके थे क्योंकि हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था हम क्या करें. इधर पूरा ब्राउन है, इधर ब्राउन नहीं कर सकते. व्हाइट हमने टीवी के पीछे लगा दिया तो हम ऊपर भी व्हाइट नहीं लगा सकते क्योंकि बहुत ही अजीब दिखेगा. तो हमने वो छोड़ा हुआ है, तब से ऐसे ही है. मतलब वी डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू हियर, सो इट्स जस्ट लाइक दिस. हमने सोचा बाद में करेंगे, वो रह ही गया. तो या ये ऐसा दिख रहा है अभी. I and the funny part is that we still don't know what to do here. So if you have any ideas, please comment and tell me so that this space right here can look a little more prettier. Okay, so now that this is set, let's dive into what all I liked in September. So the first thing is very, very obvious. If you've seen my vlog, you would know that this ointment right here is has to be my favorite. This is called the can't pronounce it. The minoxidil hydrochloride topical gel. It's called the Minium gel. This is something that my doctor recommended and it really, really worked for me. This is magic in a tube. Matlab, like I would apply it for 2 nights and I could see the difference in my acne situation. The bumps reduced, the redness reduced. So this was like a magic in a tube. I pray that I don't have to use it this month as well because I don't want this breaking out situation happening. But this has been a savior. So this is the first thing that I loved in the month of September. The other thing that I really, really enjoyed is this tumbler. Like, tell me if this happens with you also, that if I have like a cutesy little tumbler with me, I would drink more water. It's a stupid girl math, but it happens. तो जब से मैंने ये टम्बलर लिया, I have this and I have one in white. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. But जब से मैंने लिया, मेरे पानी की intake बढ़ गई है. So I'm very happy. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase because इसकी वजह से मैं ज़्यादा पानी पी रही हूँ. This has to be one of my favorite, I think, for not just September but the months to come as well. Next thing बहुत ही interesting है. So basically, I was having very bad hair fall, and the quality of my hair was also very, very weird since the past 3-4 months. But there's this one DIY home remedy that I used, and this is actually my house helps remedy. And she has been using it on me, and I'm amazed to see the results. So basically, what happens is that you take aloe vera and then you grind the, like, take out the pulp, mix it well, like mixie में उसको एकदम एक watery form में ला लो, and then add any oil. It could be coconut oil, it could be rosemary oil, and then apply it, leave it on for like 1 hour or so, and then that's it. Just wash it off. Your hair would feel very, very light. It'll get the shine back. Hair fall be reduce हुआ है, and I have some new hair growth also for some reason. I mean, I don't know if you can see. Can you see this? So I have some new hair growth also, and this home DIY hair care remedy has to be my favorite. Trust me, go ahead and try it. And एक दिन में रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. So अगर आप एक बार बोलोगे कि अरे मैंने तो किया कुछ नहीं हुआ, ऐसा नहीं होता. You try it religiously for about 2-3 months and I'm sure you're going to see the difference and thank me later. The other thing is related to creating content, and this is something that I've been using on and off. So that we record from our phone and light अच्छी नहीं आती कभी कभी. And this one thing, let me show you. This particular light is so convenient and so handy. ये भी मैंने Amazon से लिया था. It's from Amazon Basics. So you just have to like turn it on. Okay, and they have like 3 light modes, and you can increase or decrease the intensity like that. Okay, and ये आराम से आपके phone में clamp हो जाता है. So like you get good light when you're shooting or recording something from the phone. Easy है और इतना छोटू सा है that you can just put it in the car or fit it in your bag if you're carrying a big one. So this comes in handy, and I really like using it. So, and it's not very expensive. I think if you are a content creator, तो ये this is a must have. मैंने सब कुछ ना लिख के रखा है literally. तो जब मैं वो होता जा रहा है, I'm just like ticking it out so that I don't miss on anything. अगर वो लिखा हुआ नहीं होता तो मुझे अजीब होता है कि अब क्या, like I become clueless. So I need everything written, planned. This is something that was very it was not very expensive. I thought it was very cool. ये गजरा, ओ इसमें खुशबू है, what? ये नहीं पता था यार मुझे. This is like a fake gajra and it comes like with an elastic, so you can just tie your hair and put it on it, and it smells also like a gajra, so you can like, it's a fake gajra but it's super cool. को एक bun में लगा सकते हो, and because of the elastic it will stay, you don't have to pin it up. I see myself using it this month as well. So yeah, this also I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link. Don't worry, सारे links मैं नीचे description में डाल दूंगी, so you can go ahead and check it out. The next thing is also related to the festive season, is this headband. Like, how cool is this? Like, can you look at that? Embellished headband, okay? And if you're wearing something Indo-Western or even Indian, you can just like add it to your look, and it gives such a nice matha patti sort of a look, which I really like. And of course my hair is not styled in a nicer way, but yeah, like this looks super cool. I really love it. And अभी शादी का सीजन भी आने वाला है, so this is how अभी शादी का सीजन भी आने वाला है, and Diwali, so I think this is going to come in handy and I'm going to wear it a lot. ये मैंने सितंबर में लिया था, कंटेंट के लिए बहुत यूज किया था. So yeah, this is what I liked. The next thing that was very interesting is I bought this to create content for क्या कहते हैं, the festive season. क्या अलग टाइप की कैंडल खरीदने से अच्छा, I was like I found something which was, इसको आप किसी में भी डाल दो and you can create your own candle. So इसको उर्ली में डाल सकते हैं, दिया में डाल सकते हैं, and then this is just stay, and then you can just empty it and you can use the urli or whatever the container in something else. So basically it's like a powder like this, okay, and you can put it in any container, and then you can use these wicks and then just light it. That's it. And all you have to do is उसको light करके छोड़ दो, जितना जब तक जलाना है जला दो, उसके बाद वापस इसमें खाली कर दो, and you can use it multiple times. And I feel this is such an interesting purchase. Like Navratri ke liye bhi I used it a lot, and now Diwali, of course, I will obviously use it. This is that, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so what else did I like in September? Series. Let's talk about the two series that I really liked. I mean, September, kabhi kabhi aisa mera man karta hai. I like seeing serious stuff as well, but sometimes when you're so worked up with situations, you're already so tensed, calm, itna pressure, ye wo, ki you want to see something which is not very serious. तो मेरे को दो सीरीज बहुत पसंद आई. फर्स्ट वन वाज एमिली इन पेरिस. नो ब्रेनर, you don't have to do anything, you just have to sit, sip your coffee, eat your favorite food and just watch it. And it's a light-hearted series, so that I really liked. So I think Call Me Bae was something like a mix of Aisha and Emily in Paris, like both mixed together. And it was super cool, super chill, no brainer. बस देखते जाओ. It's like a happy series. So these two series is what I liked. I want to know, which series did you like in September? I can't wait to watch Control, which is another series or movie, I don't know, of Ananya Pandey, and Taza Khabar, Bhuvan Bam. I think the first season was really nice of Taza Khabar. I'm expecting a lot from the second one. अगर आपने देख ली है तो प्लीज मुझे बताना मत, क्योंकि मुझे देखनी है. तो that is one thing. और एक बहुत ही irritating cheese hai. I'm not going to call it my favorite, but that thing has stuck by me in my head, and it is not going out of my head courtesy Instagram. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ या कोई कुछ बोल रहा है और मैं zone out हो रही हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा है. And it's so funny that I have to like, zone out of it and be like, ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? And it is टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार. This दो चीजें इतनी, हाँ मेरे को इतनी चाहिए, irritating है, I can't tell you. लेकिन ये मेरे दिमाग में ऑन लूप चल रही है, मतलब मेरे को कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, अमित कुछ बोल रहा है कि ये काम करना, और मेरे दिमाग में ये टमाटर बड़े मजेदार. Instagram does that to you. Content creator favorite that I really like is this editing app. uh, I won't say that I've recently discovered it, but I've recently started learning so many things on it that I am like exploring this app. It's called Canva, and Canva the pro version has so many features. You can create so many different templates. You can create, animate, and do so much with it. Remove the background. It's just amazing. I use it a lot for my label as well. So yeah, this is one editing app that I absolutely love. And if you are a content creator, or if you are into some sort of creative side of the business, then I think you should just go ahead and simply start exploring the app, because there's a lot to learn. Yeah, this is another favorite app that I've started exploring and using in September. So yeah. Next is a makeup favorite, and I am not gonna lie, I've been obsessing over this particular foundation. It's the Chanel foundation, and when you see this foundation, you'll feel कि इसका texture कितना अजीब है. Wait, let me get it for you. So yeah, this is the foundation that I'm talking about. I used to use the earlier one before. I don't think they have it now. I'm not too sure. But the person there only recommended to use this. And this has a very weird texture if you see. It's like छोटे granules हैं. But when you pour it out and mix it, it becomes like a serum sort of a thing. And the glow you get after you apply this foundation, insane. Like, I'm going to put in a few pictures and videos and you're going to see the difference yourself. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to definitely buy another one. It's been worth every single penny. And if you are someone who likes dewy makeup and not something too heavy on the face, I'm sure you're not going to regret buying it. So trust me on this. If you want to try another foundation, go ahead and try this one. The last thing has been my favorite for years. I won't call it my September favorite, but because I'm wearing it, I'm just going to tell you what it is. It's this t-shirt, and for everybody who's been following me since quite some time would know where this t-shirt is coming from. This is easily, I think, 7 years old, and I still wear it. It's so comfy. Certain, पता नहीं, मतलब कुछ कुछ कपड़े ऐसे होते हैं जो आपको कुछ पहनने, मतलब उसको हटाने का मन ही नहीं करता. This is one of that. I absolutely love wearing it. I wear it every other day. It's so comfy. It's so soft, and मतलब इसमें हल्के हल्के निशान भी पड़ गए. But I'm like, it's okay. It's my favorite since years now. And अगर आपको याद है कि ये टी शर्ट कौन सी है और कहाँ की है, तो फिर आप please comment down below. I want to know कि if you guys remember this or not. So yeah, that was all for my September favorites. छोटी छोटी चीजें थी, but I really loved using them in the month of September and in general as well. I hope you liked this September favorites video. And अब मुझे जाना है क्योंकि I have to go wash my hair. First things first, but before that I'm going to do like the entire DIY mask that I told you about. वो करूँगी, उसके बाद I'll go wash my hair, and then I will. Aj, I think I'm going to take a break. Like, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to just chill, relax. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. You guys know it already. So go ahead and do that, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.